Hey guys, so welcome to Stack. Today I'll show you how to change screen time on iPhone. So to do this process, first go ahead and go to your settings into your device. Now over here on the settings tab, you should be able to see here display and brightness. Go ahead and select this one. And now from here, if we scroll down, we will have an option auto lock. Now to change your screen timeout, you will have multiple options over here to 30 seconds, 1 minute, up to 5 minutes, or to never. So guys, remember that if you go for never, your iPhone may use more energy with these settings. So I recommend going for 2 minutes, 1 minute, or 1 to 3 minute range. And pretty much you should be able to change your screen timeout on iPhone by changing the auto lock feature. And also guys, if you go back, you will have other options as well, like erase to wake, night shift, and other options that you might want to consider. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comment down below. And thanks for watching.